Hello everyone, my name is Sharon Babu and I have cleared DU MSc entrance exam for zoology of year 2020 with rank 9. I was selected for Central University of Haryana, Punjab and Kerala by clearing CUCT 2020 with a score of 69.5. I also cleared GATE Biotechnology 2021 with rank 93rd. Now, first of all, I would like to thank God, my parents, my teachers for all their help and support, and also I would also like to thank Gyan Varsha YouTube channel specifically because of the immense help that its video has provided to me. I started watching Gyan Varsha for the biochemistry series, but I ended up watching all of the videos because those were so much of help for me. And the Sunday practice question sessions were also so much of help to me. It was amazing. It made all my concepts crystal clear. Gyan Varsha actually answered my queries and also answered all my mails. That was such a helpful thing to do, and I did not attend any coaching for all my preparation, neither for GATE and nor for my PG entrance exams. And frankly, I feel that Gyan Varsha YouTube channel actually taught me way more than any coaching center would have taught me. Because it was so amazing. The Gyan Varsha YouTube channel was amazing at what it did. I would like to thank everyone who supported me, and I would like to thank Gyan Varsha YouTube channel so much for all the help, for all the support that they provided. And I would actually suggest each and every aspirant who is preparing for any future national level exam to actually give Gyan Varsha YouTube channel a try because they are amazing at what they do. Thank you everyone.
Hello, I'm Shraddha Shukla. I secured 240 AIR in GATE Biotechnology 2021. I studied through Gyan Varsha. It helped me a lot. It helps you to build a basic for immunology, microbiology and various other subjects also. Just not focus on GATE, but it also helps you to build a basic for CSIR, JRF Net. I will recommend every aspirant to go through videos of it.
Hi, my name is Devansha Chandra and I have ranked 252 in GATE PT examination 2021, and through this video I am going to share some of the tips related to the exam preparation with you all. The most important question that is being asked is whether self-study is sufficient or you need certain type of guidance. So now when I started my preparation, I faced certain difficulties in topics like bioinformatics, numericals related to bioprocess, the metabolic pathways in biochemistry, and the cell signaling pathways, the terminologies. I started preparing from the lectures of Gyan Varsha classes, so in my opinion, it will be easier if you take certain type of guidance for certain topics that are new to you. If you subscribe to this channel Gyan Varsha, तो आप टेस्ट सीरीज भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर आपको सॉल्यूशंस भी प्रोवाइड कर दिए जाएंगे, तो अननोन क्वेश्चंस के पीछे टाइम वेस्ट करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. इवन प्रीवियस डे के क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व करवा दिए जाते हैं. By solving the PYQs, you yourself will be able to identify the important ones of the topics and you can prepare accordingly. At the end, I will just say that focus on your strength and have belief in yourself and you will definitely be able to crack the exam. All the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Srishti Barnawal and I qualified GATE BT 2020 with AIR 964. My GATE score was 448 in general category, and I wanna say a big thank you to Gyan Varsha channel, which helped me a lot throughout my GATE preparation. I was in my third year at that time, so I was confused and so worried about my preparation. Like there were many topics that were new for me, but Gyan Varsha cleared my all doubts. Contents provided by Gyan Varsha were really helpful to me during my preparation. It helped me to cover all the topics that were hard and new for me. There is also a weekly quiz that will help you to test your preparation level, so every students who are worried about their GATE preparation, I advise them to subscribe Gyan Varsha channel and boost your preparation. Hit the bullseye with your hard work and a great guidance like Gyan Varsha. It's actually the rain of knowledge. Thank you.
Hello, myself Pragati Apurva. I am BT third year. I qualified my GATE in 2021. My All India rank is 733. Gyan Varsha channel helped me a lot during my preparation, and I did all my preparation from the videos uploaded on the channel. Gyan Varsha ma'am really helped us to build our basics and clear our concept that helped me in clearing the exam. Thank you.
Hello, myself Ritik Sachan. I secured all India rank 443 in GATE 2021. This is thanks to Gyan Varsa classes and especially to ma'am. उनके लेक्चर, उनके पढ़ाने का तरीका रियली सुपर। इतने कम टाइम पे उन्होंने इतना अच्छा किया हम लोगों के लिए। एंड मैम ने हमें ये बताया कि इस टॉपिक पर हमें कम फोकस करना है, किस पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, कब किस टॉपिक पे ज़्यादा ही मेहनत करनी है। एंड सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये लगी कि एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के बाद एक किसी टॉपिक पर एक पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर जो होता है एक टॉपिक का, उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस होती है एंड देन वीकली टेस्ट quizzes, that's really helped me a lot. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mansi Gupta and I would like to share something with you that I am a GATE qualifier and I secured 1023 rank in GATE Biotechnology and 1800 rank in GATE Life Science. I would like to say thanks to channel Gyan Varsha. They guys helped me a lot in qualifying GATE. Actually, they provide live sessions and they provide recorded videos. They provide a PYQ session, doubt solving session, everything in just one platform. I started my preparation in November and within 3 months I qualified GATE. Yeah, so basically this all happens because of ma'am and other teachers who helped me a lot. So I'm very thankful to channel Gyan Varsha. Thank you very much.